What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fish21. Today we have a super hot challenge. We're not just talking about, like, you know, just a regular spicy, but we're talking about like extra spicy, you know. We have this spicy chicken noodle. We got that from an Asian store. Even the owner said it's super hot. I wouldn't recommend you trying this. It says 2x spicy. I don't know if you guys see that. And it's a chicken, hot chicken flavor ramen. So we have that challenge. I have the noodle inside the hot water. It's boiling up. So I just turn it off for 5 minutes. It says leave that there for 5 minutes, and then after that I have to put that there, right here. Take the water out, and we're gonna put it in this sexy bowl right here. And we have the challenge going on there, and on that table right there. Whew, it's gonna be crazy, guys. I haven't ate nothing since this morning. I've only ate breakfast. Okay, my stomach has nothing in there, and I'm super hungry, and I'm not even ready for this challenge that people recommended, you guys recommended, and I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this for you guys all. So thank you so much for all the 4,700 subscribers. Thank you. We're gonna keep flowing, and we're gonna keep going for 10 grand, 15 grand. You know, we'll keep going, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you guys new, hit that subscribers. You know, hit the subscribe button, and turn your notification on for more contacts every day. So first thing first, we're gonna put this here. We're gonna take the water out from this. And it's gonna be hard for me doing it all with one hand, guys. So first thing first, take this. Whew. We're gonna take this here. First thing first, take the water out. Alright, guys. Whew. That's crazy, guys. Crazy. Woo! I am not ready for this, I'll tell you that. I'm not at all. I've done hot spicy challenge before, and this is gonna be crazy. We're gonna put that there. Oh man, I'm already melting, guys. I don't know if you guys see the reflection of my sweat. You guys probably say, "Oh, there's nothing in there." We're about to get to the flavor, you know. I'm about to show you guys what's going on here. No water at all, I'll tell you that. There's no water. Get a fork going, then sit down here. We have the flicks. This is like, I'm guessing we put this last, and this is where the hot sauce starts. This is 2x spicy. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys see that. Where is it says 2? Yep. Whew. Oh my god, guys. Hit the like, subscribe, please. I'm melting, man. Like, I'm sweating my balls out, guys. This is like crazy. Oh my god. That sauce is super, like, I thought it was red. It's gonna be, oh man, it's dark. It's crazy. Smell. The smell is strong. It's very strong. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hand off, I'll tell you that. Because I don't want to put that on my eyeball. No, that's the last thing I want to do. Never want to do that. Oh my god. Just the smell, I could already taste it. Whew! Do you guys see that? Like, you guys see that right there? It looks like blood. Mix that up. Oh my god! Whew! This smells like strong coffee. That's how strong is the sauce is. Oh my god. Oh, the smell of it, man. The smell. Too strong, guys. last for last, this is the last part we're gonna do. I don't know what the hell. Oh, that's like seeds. I'm guessing this looks like I don't know. Alright, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys see that on the screen. Alright, so I'm gonna mix this up to make some flavor, but I don't think I'm gonna taste any flavor to it because it's gonna be super duper hot, and I'm gonna be killing my stomach, and I'm not gonna be feeling well for at least a week, not even a week, maybe a couple days, you know. You guys want that? You want some? Oh my god. Let me wash my hand, guys. Dude, the color won't come off. Like, that's how I wash my hand. I'm washing my hand with soap. It won't even come off. Oh my god. Imagine what's that gonna do to my stomach. Really bad. Don't try this at home, guys. Don't try this. Look, you can still see the color. I washed my hand with my freaking soap. It wouldn't come off. Oh my god. Are you guys ready to eat this? I don't think I'm gonna finish the whole thing, but I'll try. But I'm not gonna force myself, I'll tell you that. God, guys. Alright. You guys ready? Let's do this. The smell of it, oh my god. Whew. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, I don't think I can. I don't recommend anybody doing it. Don't do it. Don't do it, please. Don't do it. Hot. It's hot, guys. It's hot. I don't think I'm gonna do this, right, guys? Another one. Another 4, guys. This is the hottest spicy. I would say probably has ghost pepper in this. I can't feel my tongue, man. I can't. Oh my god, guys. It's putting water in my eyes, guys. I'm literally like tearing up. I'm tearing up inside, guys. I don't know how to describe that feeling, guys. It's like it's very, very hot, but the taste of the hotness is just like it's like boiling up inside of your stomach. I have tears, guys. Oh my god, hot. I don't think I'm gonna stop, guys. I'm not gonna kill myself with this, guys. It is hot. I'm sorry, I'm gonna quit. I'm tearing up, guys. I need water. I'll tell you guys this, okay? I don't recommend anybody doing this hot spicy chicken noodle. It will kill you. It will. It's there's like at least a pound left. It's getting worse, man. It's getting worse. Please don't do this, guys. Everybody, no one do this. No, that's spicy 2X. I thought it was gonna be fake. Honestly, the smell of it. I need a milk. Oh, I can't do this, guys. Yeah. Woo! Alright, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't want to be ending up like this, but it's killing my stomach as my eyes is literally turning up. I think I'm gonna be eating a banana. Give me another challenge, guys. I don't think I can do this. It's hot. Tough. Dude, even the sweet doesn't help. I don't know who would ever eat this. This is like crazy mental. It's hot, guys. I can't, like, if I take another fork, I don't think I can speak right. My lips is killing me. My tongue is killing me. Oh, guys. Woo! I'll probably go crazy, guys. Who would do this, guys? Who actually eat this? Who does this? You guys are crazy eating all this stuff. Don't do this, I can't talk. Alright, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Hit like, subscribe, share this video. Turn your notification on to hit me up with the new challenge. Leave that on the bottom. Let me know, guys. I'm gonna be eating a crispy chicken sandwich. I need my stomach's killing me, guys. It's empty. Like, subscribe for more contacts. I'm sorry I couldn't finish this up. It went totally wrong spot, wrong area. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I turned you guys down. Alright, guys. Love you guys. Keep in touch. Love you guys. Bye.